Are you looking for a space-saving solution to your laundry drying needs? Look no further than the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer 1400W. In this review, we'll delve into the pros and cons of this compact dryer to help you decide if it's the right choice for your home. First off, let's talk about the pros. One of the standout features of the Euhomy dryer is its compact size. Perfect for small apartments or homes with limited space, this dryer can easily fit into tight spots without sacrificing performance. Another pro is its efficient drying. Despite its size, this dryer boasts impressive drying power, thanks to its 1400W motor. It can quickly dry clothes without the need for multiple cycles, saving you time and energy in the process. I also appreciate its user-friendly controls. With intuitive controls and multiple drying modes to choose from, including delicate and rapid dry, you can customize the drying process to suit your needs. The LED display makes it easy to monitor the progress of your laundry. Another pro is it features a liquid crystal display and has 4 drying modes. 1. Strong, drying even larger items quickly. 2. Intelligent, this smarts mode automatically adjusts drying time based on humidity. Great for all items, even larger ones. 3. ICO, deodorize any clothes, dry small pieces of clothing. 4. Normal, more suitable for clothes that need ironing or drying small pieces of clothing. Now, onto the cons. Limited capacity. Due to its compact size, the Euhomy dryer has a smaller capacity compared to standard models. This may not be suitable for large families or those who frequently need to dry bulky items. In conclusion, the Euhomy Compact Laundry Dryer offers efficient drying performance in a compact package. While it may not be suitable for everyone's needs, it's an excellent option for those looking to save space without sacrificing drying power. If you found this review helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful product reviews and home appliance tips.